An enterprise tech player posted steady Q1 growth, with UK and Europe driving 28.7% profit jump on strong digital and AI-led deals. Strategic partnerships and a deeper AI focus are setting the stage for long-term margin gains and global expansion. Meanwhile, a rising air cargo operator is scaling its Asian footprint with a new Vietnam route and a pact with Vietjet, unlocking cross-border e-commerce and farmer flows. With fleet expansion underway, it's shifting from ad hoc to scheduled ops to tap soaring regional demand. So both the firms are pushing ahead, one through digital transformation and the other by powering Asia's next-gen cargo lanes. Hi and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, जहां पर हम चीजें सिंपल रखकर फोकस करते हैं उन कंपनीज पर जो कि अक्सर स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं होती बट दे हैव अ रियली गुड ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल. आई एम सेजल अग्रवाल, इक्विटी रिसर्च एनालिस्ट एट डेस्वेलाडो एडवाइजरी, और आज हम बात करेंगे ऐसी ही दो कंपनीज के बारे में जो कि अपनी बिजनेस में सॉलिड प्रोग्रेस कर रही हैं और अगर करंट ट्रेंड्स रिमेन इंटैक्ट they might continue to grow even further. But before knowing about that companies, let's see the disclaimer first. So, any discussions, facts or writings provided here are for informational purposes only and do not constitute any buy or sell recommendation. So, please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decision. Now, let's move to the first company. So first we have is Mastek Ltd, which provides technology solutions to businesses in specific industries. With nearly 40 years in IT industry, Mastek has grown from offering basic IT services to helping companies go fully digital. Company posted a good Q1 performance for FY26 with revenue rising 12.5% year-on-year to reaching rupees 914.7 crores, with PAT increased 28.7% to reaching 92.1 crores. The growth was primarily driven by sustained demand across UK and European markets, especially within healthcare and secured government contracts. इस क्वार्टर में कंपनी ने 10+ न्यू डील्स क्लोज किए हैं इन इमर्जिंग टेक एरियाज और एक स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप भी साइन किया है विद ओपन एएनए. ये डेवलपमेंट्स रेवेन्यू को सपोर्ट करते हैं, लेकिन इनके साथ स्किल, टैलेंट और कैपेबिलिटी इन्वेस्टमेंट के कारण कॉस्ट भी ऊपर हुई है. Operating EBITDA grew 10.8% to reaching 137.3 crores, although margin saw a slight dip to 15%. Order backlog stand at rupees 2,347.9 crores, marking a 8.3% year-on-year increase, which indicates strong deal pipeline in company's core market. Mastek is currently reorganizing its North America operation to address performance secured government work expand करने पे, UK healthcare momentum को continue करने पे और internal efficiencies drive करने पे with a target to reach EBITDA margin of 17 to 19% by FY26 end. The outcome of these efforts, especially in the North America realignment, will play a key role in determining the pace of profit growth going forward. Looking ahead, the company plans to expand the reach of its Adopt.ai platform into additional services areas like Oracle, Salesforce, and digital. Primary objective is to support clients in improving operational efficiency, targeting gains in range of 30 to 50%. और अगर ये solution successfully scale करते हैं तो कंपनी को longer term और larger contracts मिल सकते हैं, especially in the US market. On the innovation front, company is exploring partnerships with startups and academic institutions and is actively evaluating niche platform acquisitions. इन स्टेप्स का गोल है नए इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज को फास्टर डेवलपमेंट इनेबल करना और डिफरेंशिएटेड सॉल्यूशंस का पाइपलाइन स्टेडी रखना. Recent recognition from firms like Gartner, Everest, ISG, they reflect that the current strategy is on gaining visibility externally. तो ये endorsements future deal wins को positively impact कर सकते हैं. Now let's move to the second company. And the second company is Afcom Holdings Ltd, and this company is involved in transporting goods by air from one airport to another, and it mainly provides air cargo services which are used for fast and reliable delivery of shipments. Company has added a new cargo route to Hanoi, Vietnam, further strengthening its presence in Southeast Asia. And in addition, it has entered into an interline agreement with Vietjet on one of the Vietnam's leading low-cost carriers. ये पार्टनरशिप का गोल है क्रॉस बॉर्डर कार्गो मूवमेंट को सिंप्लीफाई करना, स्पेशली अक्रॉस इंडिया, वियतनाम, साउथ कोरिया, ताइवान, हांगकांग. And by leveraging its existing freighter fleet, Afcom is keeping operational costs under control while improving fleet utilization and expanding regional reach. वियतनाम की स्ट्रैटेजिक लोकेशन से नॉट जस्ट लोड एफिशिएंसी बढ़ेगी बल्कि ट्रांजिट टाइमिंग भी रिड्यूस होगा, contributing to stronger delivery performance. Now, this move also opens access to high growth sectors like e-commerce, pharma, electronics, where air cargo demand continues to rise. और ये इनिशिएटिव एफकॉम के लार्जर विजन का पार्ट है, एक कनेक्टेड और कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव लॉजिस्टिक्स नेटवर्क बिल्ड करना अक्रॉस एशिया. With outbound volumes rising, pressure on the sea routes increasing, and global air cargo growing at a steady 4.1%, Afcom is positioning itself to serve exporters more competitively. और ये भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है उन मार्केट स्पेसेस में एंटर करने के लिए जो अब तक लार्जली फॉरेन कैरियर्स डोमिनेट करते हैं, स्पेशली इन इंडियाज इंटरनेशनल एयर कार्गो सेगमेंट. Now talking about financials, FY25 में कंपनी ने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग परफॉर्मेंस डिलीवर किया है, where its revenue from operation rose by 61.8% to reaching 238.7 crores, and company saw significant acceleration in second half of FY25 with edge to revenue reaching rupees 149.9 crores and EBITDA margin improved to 28.9%. Looking ahead, company plans to expand its fleet beyond the current Boeing 737-800s with a target of operating a total of 5 aircraft. In FY26, it aims to induct 2 wide-body Boeing 777s into its operation, and ये phased fleet expansion का objective है कार्गो कैपेसिटी और फ्लाइट फ्रीक्वेंसी दोनों को इंक्रीज करना ताकि मोर डोमेस्टिक एंड इंटरनेशनल रूट्स इफेक्टिवली सर्व किए जा सके. Now, as the fleet scales up, the company intends to shift from a quasi-charter model to a scheduled flight structure. And this transition is designed to align more closely with evolving cargo demand and enhance route level flexibility. साथ ही कंपनी अपने फ्लीट में बैकअप कैपेसिटी भी इंक्लूड कर रही है जिससे एयरक्राफ्ट डाउन टाइम मैनेज करना इजियर होगा और क्रू शेड्यूलिंग अक्रॉस सेक्टर्स भी स्मूथ बनेगा. Now let's review some of our previous picks which we covered in our previous Noisemakers. So first we have is Gabriel India Limited, which is up by 20%. Second is Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited, which is up by 10.1%. Third is Travenue Technology Limited, which is up by 17.9%. Fourth is Aurionpro Solutions Limited, up by 10.3%. And the last is DEE Development Engineers Limited, which is down by 3.8%. Now, here is the QR code through which you can access all the previous picks which we covered recently. Now, let's move to the summary of the today's companies which we covered in our today's Noisemaker. So first we have is Mastek Ltd, where the company reported steady first quarter for FY26 with revenue rising by 12.5%, PAT rising 28.7%. And next we have is Afcom Holdings Ltd. The company expanded its Southeast Asia footprint by launching a new international cargo route to Hanoi, Vietnam, effective July 2nd, 2025. And that's it for today's edition of Noisemaker. और अगर आपको ये ब्रेकडाउन इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा हो तो यू कैन स्कैन द QR code to read the full report, and we'll be back soon with more simple and clear market updates. Until then, stay curious, stay ahead and stay informed.